My family isn't very big. I have a sister, Andrea, she's 18, and a brother, Richard, he's 25. They're not married. I'm married, and my wife's name is Isabel. We have 2 children, a daughter, Nancy, that's Nancy, she's 4, and a son, Tom, he's only 6 months old. We live near my parents. My dad's name is John, and my mum's is Odile. That's Odile. She's French. My grandmother lives with them. Her name's Marie. She's my mum's mum.
Improving style. David Guetta, the superstar with 70 million hits on YouTube.
David Guetta is French. He lives in Paris, but he works all over the world. He's a very famous DJ. He's number 3 in the top 100 DJs poll. He works with a lot of pop stars, such as Britney Spears, Celine Dion, and Madonna. He sometimes writes songs for them. He really likes Lady Gaga, and he wants to work with her. His job's very exciting, and he likes it a lot. He's married to Kathy. She comes from Senegal. She's a businesswoman and an actress. They often go to Ibiza. Every year, they have parties there. People love their parties. Kathy and David have 2 young children, and they love to spend time with them.
Lisa's 2 jobs.
Hi, I'm Lisa Parsons. I'm 24 years old and I live in New York City. I'm always very busy, but I'm very happy. From Monday to Friday, I work in a bookstore, the Strand bookstore in Manhattan. Then on Saturdays, I have another job. I'm a singer with a band. It's great because I love books and I love singing. On weekdays, I usually finish work at 6 o'clock, but sometimes I stay late until 9 or 10 o'clock at night. On Saturday evenings, I sing in nightclubs in all parts of the city. I don't go to bed until 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. On Sundays, I don't do much at all. I often eat in a little restaurant near my apartment. I never cook on a Sunday. I'm too tired.
Dr. Susan Hall. The work-life balance.
Of course, work is important for us all. It gives us money to live. It gives structure to our everyday lives. But for a happy, balanced life, it's also important to play sometimes. It's important to find time to relax with friends and family. It's not good to think about work all the time. I know from my work as a doctor that it's sometimes difficult not to take your work problems home. But if you take your problems home, you never relax, and it's difficult for your family and bad for your health. Don't live to work. Work to live. Life is more than work.